Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, founder of Option Pit, and this is the Vol Report. Reminder, this is for education purposes only. Shouldn't be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Well, here we are, and we were down big pre-market, then we got to green, and now we're down big again. And it feels like we are going to test recent lows. So if you look at SPX, we're still, like I said, I still believe that we're in a kind of working this all out trend. Is that 200-day moving average is 2607. We're still in a trend of working this stuff out. And if I throw IV here, what I want you to notice is, again, IV is lower than kind of its peaks. So the key to watch that I'm going to be watching is when we get our low on this sell-off, is it below, two levels? This kind of 20.5 level and this 18 level. All right, above the 18, maybe we've got a little to worry about, but below 18, I think that's another sign that this is working itself out. Because here we are, we're at about the same level. So this was a 2613 close, and vol was 1850. Here we are, 2615. So 2 points away, and vol's 1663. According to LiveVol, obviously not the exact same. The VIX would have a very similar pattern, though. So you can see, here we are again, kind of working things out, not getting the same kind of pop. And again, VVIX also looking like it's working its way out. So I don't think our pattern of market kind of working its way through everything is over. Or has been broken. I still think this is just a kind of cyclical move down that it will get bought. I would be less than surprised if we have a higher high, a higher low than we did this last time, and then if we had a higher high. That's kind of the way I feel like we could move. Some things moving around. Amazon is a little soft today. Apple catching a bid. That's going to pull the market higher. And you can see vol's certainly moving. We're definitely getting a nice little bid here on volatility on this move, but it does not feel like an entire huge amount of panic yet. And if you look at VIX itself, there's not a lot of panic in the future so far. May, although we do have a nice amount of backwardation. Decent spread between VIX and May VIX. Really decent. So that's interesting. That is interesting. And that's kind of what's on kind of the menu today. I think today, if we're going to find a bottom, it's probably going to be today. That's the way it feels. Today is probably going to be as bad as it gets in terms of the lows. That's my gut, but we'll see. Obviously, I can be wrong, as I thought we were going to run straight up on this last run. But I still feel like my thesis of kind of working through the sell-off is on. I'm going to be playing with Apple again today. I'm going to be looking at, some other, maybe the Qs, some SPX. Lots of funness. All right, folks. Hope you have a great day. You got questions, you can email me, marketoptionpit.com, or you can call me 888-TRADE-01.